Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and I almost forgot to film this, but I had some time and I wanted to share my crafty dares from last week and this week. Okay, and if you follow us on Instagram, you can see all the creations from wonderful ladies. If you search hashtag CraftyDares, and then you'll see all our projects that everybody's been making. And I have to say, these ladies are fantastic. So last week we were to use rain boots or boots, um, clouds, and buttons. So I made a simple card that kind of showcase these boots, and I got this image off the internet, and I printed it out on just regular paper, and then I layered my pattern paper and I printed it again, and then I fussy cut them out, and I really love how they look. I used some pattern paper for the clouds. I had to make a strip to I didn't want them floating in the clouds, so I added a little strip here. I was thinking I should have covered this part so you wouldn't see the clouds, but anyway, it is what it is. I added some tiny buttons from my stash. I cut this hello from an Ally word set. And then I added some bling from the Dollar Tree, and it's like a teardrop bling, and it's so pretty. It looks, I just love how that looked. So that is last week's Crafty Dare. This week's Crafty Dare was oval shape, polka dots, and burlap. So I used this egg shape from the Dollar Tree, and I wanted to make a tag, and so I pulled out these wooden tags and I layered them up, but I used a technique that I saw Anna White here on YouTube, and I'll try to link her down below for everybody. She did the same technique with bunnies. Okay, so I used up some of my scraps that I had laying around after I did this project and another project, and so I used up some of the scraps I had. So here it is, and as you can see, I used strips upon strips of different pattern paper, and I layered it onto the wooden piece, and I cut, because they're about 3.5 inches long, and then I cut around the shape. I really like how that turned out. It's really cool. I added this burlap and some cheesecloth from my stash. Somebody had given me a big thing of it, and I keep forgetting that I have this stuff and I want to use it more because I do like the look of it. And I added some old Prima flowers that I had in my stash. And then the center flower is from my friend Nada, who's Nada Creations here on YouTube. I used one of her embellishments on my flower, and I love how it ties in with all the colors of the egg. And then I used the die that I used in my last project with the same pattern paper. I think it was this one. And then I added this sunshine. It was a stamp that I have from Ally as well. Oops. And I stamped it and I cut it out and I added it to here. So I love how it says hello sunshine. So that is my egg. Oh, and lastly, Anna also uses this on her projects, And I use the glitter dust that she shown in one of her videos, and it adds such a pretty shimmer. And I have Glimmer Mist. Oh my gosh, do I have Glimmer Mist? And but I think these are really cool. I don't know if you can see. I mean, you can see a little bit, but it is shimmery, and I really like that. Um, and then I added some, little bitty um, ribbon and eyelash trim from my stash. And I believe I'm going to be destashing some trims and some ribbon. I have tons, and I just don't. I use them, but I don't think I use them enough because I keep buying them. And I just have too much stuff. So if you're interested, you can let me know what you guys are interested in seeing in my D-stashes. I think I posted a little post asking what everybody's looking for in a D-stash. I don't know if it's just dies and stamps, or are you interested in paper? Are you interested in trims and flowers? And just let me know down below, and maybe what I'm because I'm going through my room, and I need to downsize a lot of my stuff. And my chipboard didn't really do well, and I guess nobody wants chipboard or wooden pieces or altering stuff, so that's okay. I mean, that's fine. Um, so I just want to know what you guys are looking for, and maybe I might have them, and then, I could share it in my next D-stash. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great weekend and have a blessed Easter. Thanks, everyone. Bye now.